I'm about to show you guys the recipe of this great food, the food wey choke. So first of all, you get your bell peppers in all colors. Yes, all colors. And then you get your carrot, green beans, and any vegetable of your choice. Today I'm using all these vegetables plus cabbage. Yes, so start to clean up your vegetables, clean up nice.
Oh, I love you all, through the highs and through the fall, every time you...
When you're done cleaning them, go straight to cut them in your desired sizes and shapes. Remember, the sizes we use for this food is not must you will use it for your so you might as well choose to cut them so big depending on your preference. So just cut into your desired shapes and sizes.
Love you all, through the highs and through the fall, every time you call. Sunshine and the cold, with you I'll always hold, heart to heart we'll never fold. Oh, 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 I love you all.
For the proteins, we are using chicken breasts and wings, and we're cutting those ones into tiny pieces. We're also using beef, and we're also cutting the beef too. Now, plantains. Plantains can be optional. It's not compulsory you use plantain, but you can use it to sweeten up things in your sauce. Remember, it is to your preference. Everything is to your preference. And the plantain you're using, you're going to be cutting them also in small pieces. Another vegetable we're using is the cabbage for fiber. Cabbage is a great source of fiber, and we are using it too. This is the low in cholesterol soya oil straight from China that we're using for this food. As you can see, the table is set. Everything is ready. The vegetables have been cut, ranging from the bell peppers, carrots, green beans, cabbage. You can see the onion. We used white onion. We mixed onion like white onions and purple onions. And we are adding a little bit of ketchup for sweetie mouth. So we'll go over to frying the plantain. We use the pressure pot to tenderize the meat, like to cook the meat so it can be faster, because chicken meat and beef be the same strength. After cooking, if you want to open your pressure pot faster, you put direct under cold water and cool for some while you open it up. So we proceeded to frying the proteins.
Every time you call.
So after we've prepared all the veggies and the proteins, we proceeded to adding our oil into the pot and frying the onions first. You go in with your fresh tomatoes. If you can use tomato paste if you desire, but we used fresh tomatoes for this cooking because everything all fresh gone.
Through the highs and through the fall, every time you call. Every moment with you is...
At this point, we discovered that the pot we used earlier was smaller, so we transferred to a bigger pot. Then when your tomatoes have been half fried, you add in your curry powder, your salt to taste, your every seasoning you want. We are pairing this sauce with basmati rice, and then after adding your salt and your tomatoes have been well fried, go in with your already cut veggies. We started with the bell peppers, and then we proceeded to adding our carrots, then the plantains. Remember, you add the vegetables that you want to be cooked a little bit, and then you go in with the ones that won't take much time while cooking. So you stir them, you turn them and mix them together. Mix them generously, and then the last vegetable to go in will be the cabbage. Yes guys, so you add the cabbage, and then we started to dish our food. Guys, come and join me. See this food there, no be only me go chop am, but if you no come early, na only me go chop am. You no go see the one where you go chop. Guys, this food is choke. This food is choke. We have to cut up the watermelon. I want to come out watermelon. Then we cut up the watermelons, to pair with the food. This kind of food, they joke with them. So this is the food, and it's about to go down, guys. Happy Sunday.
Oh, I love you all through the highs.